Now to Mayor Adams' day in court. Some major developments came out of a hearing in his case this morning. Prosecutors revealing that more charges could be brought against the mayor and that additional people could also be indicted.
Let's get right to Morgan McKay outside federal court to break down everything we learned today. Morgan?
Now, Steve, Natasha, there's no exact timeline for when that might happen, but federal prosecutors today warning that additional charges for Mayor Eric Adams and others could be coming soon. Now, no trial date was set today, but it will likely be in the spring and well before the mayoral primary election.
Busy city, running the city, making sure we continue to move forward. Busy.
Mayor Eric Adams back in court less than a week after his arraignment, with his lawyer arguing that the federal corruption case against the mayor should be tossed out. But federal prosecutors warned that it is possible Adams could face additional charges and that it is likely more people will be charged. Adams was indicted on 5 charges that accuse the mayor of engaging in an almost decade-long conspiracy to solicit and accept illegal campaign donations from overseas donors. They also allege that Adams accepted more than $100,000 worth of bribes in the form of luxury hotels and flight upgrades from a Turkish official and Turkish business people. In return for these perks, prosecutors allege that Adams fast-tracked inspections for the Turkish consulate in Manhattan. No trial date has been set yet, but Rebecca Roife, a former Manhattan prosecutor who is now a law professor, says a lot might change if new charges are filed and new co-defendants charged. She adds that this warning by prosecutors could be a strategic move.
I'm wondering whether they did that in part in order to pressure some of the players here to flip, because there is this indictment that they have to use now in order to push other subordinates to testify or cooperate against the mayor.
Prosecutors have to turn over evidence by December 4th. They say this includes bank records, phone records, campaign finance filings, voice memos, and witness testimony from people who allege that they were part of a straw donor scheme and paid to give money to Adams' campaign. Additionally, prosecutors say they still have not gained access to Adams' phone, which federal investigators seized last November. In their indictment, prosecutors allege that Adams changed the password to his phone once he learned of the investigation and then told prosecutors he forgot the passcode. Adams' lawyer, Alex Spiro, says he believes this bribery charge will be tossed out, so he expects the trial to take no longer than 2 weeks, while prosecutors say they imagine the trial will last 4 weeks.
It is difficult, and it also is going to depend more on witness testimony than on documents.
Roife agrees that the bribery charge is hard to prove. Now, Governor Kathy Hochul today was asked about these possible charges against Adams, and she declined to weigh in directly, but she says she remains focused on governing. Reporting live, I'm Morgan McKay. Steve, Natasha, back to you.
All right, Morgan, thank you so much.